So good morning dear students. So in this class we will solve some more problems of exercise 2.5. So up to now we learned about the identities and finding the values of the problem by using the identity and finding the factors by using the identity. So now we will solve some more problems of this exercise. That is first one, verify x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Verify x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz minus 3xyz, that is equals to half into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equals to half into x plus y plus z into x minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x square. Now we have to either consider left hand side or right hand side, and based on that we have to find out or we have to verify these two conditions. And we know that x minus y square, that is same as a minus b whole square, and it gives rise to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And if we consider left hand side, here we can't simplify directly, so therefore better we will choose the right hand side. And consider, let's consider LHS. LHS equals to half into x plus y plus z into x minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x whole. Now I will use the identity, that is a minus b whole square for the inner term, that is equals to half into x plus y plus z into a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that it becomes x square minus 2ab, a value is x, b value is y, therefore it becomes xy plus y square minus 2ab plus b square. This is about the first term. Then second term, y minus z whole square, this is also same, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab, a value is y, b value is z plus b square plus third term, z minus x whole square, z square minus 2ab means zx plus x. Now we'll simplify this. It becomes 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into, here x square is present, here x square, both are having positive sign, therefore it becomes 2 times of x square. Then y square, both are having positive sign, therefore we have to add, it becomes 2y. Then z square, both are positive, therefore it becomes 2 times of z square. Then remaining are unlike this, because here it contains two variables, that is one is x, another is y. Here y and z, here z and x. Therefore we can't add or subtract this variable. So therefore we have the next one as 2xy, then minus 2yz minus z. I'll close the square bracket. Just look at the step. So what we have to do? We have to just expand the given terms by using the identity, that is a minus b whole square. The next, if you consider all this term, here 2 is common. So therefore I will remove that 2 outside. So it becomes 2 divided by 2. We can take and place that here or here because it is multiplication. And we know that multiplication goes through the commutative property. So 2 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square, because we remove 2 outside, and here minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, then next 2 gets cancelled, and what is remaining here? X plus y plus z into x square plus y. So 2 gets cancelled, remaining is x plus y plus z and into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus z. So this is in the form of a plus b plus c. We have another identity, that is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus 2, and that is equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 times of a. Just look at the steps up to this. Okay, I will rub this. The solution is in the form a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c, and that is equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 times of ab. So our equation is in that form, that is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, and that is equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 times of ab. And here value of a is x, value of b is value of c is z. So therefore that is equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 times of x y z. That is equals to RHS. That is equals to RHS. Just look at the steps. Only here you have to simplify the terms. So first step, you have to simplify the terms by using a minus b whole square. Then you have to take the common term outside. Then you have to compare the given equation with the standard form. The next one. The next step, factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So the question is 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So now in the previous one we wrote that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So in that form we will convert this. So 27. So if we wrote 27 equals to dash cube, so it becomes 3. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. So therefore I will write this as 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into ABC. 3 times of A. A value is 3x, B value is y, and C value is z. And we know that A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3 times of ABC, that is equals to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. Correct? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3 times of ABC, that is equals to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. So therefore now we will substitute here the value of A is, here the value of A is 3x, value of B is y, and value of C is z. Now we have to place in the place of A we have to put 3x, in the place of B we have to put y, in the place of C we have to put z. So that's why it becomes, that is 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz, that is equals A plus B plus A value is 3x, A plus B, that is y, plus C is z into A square. A square, I will use a square bracket. A value is 3x, 3x square plus B square plus C square is z square minus A value is 3x into y minus BC, B value is y, C value is z minus CA, C value is z and A value is 3x. So I will close this square bracket. Just look at the step. What I have done, I just substituted the values in the form. So in the place of A, I substituted 3x, in the place of B, I substituted y, and in the place of C, I substituted z. So therefore, this becomes 3x plus y plus z into 3 square is 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3a, it is minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx minus 3zx. So this is the solution. Just look at the answer. What you have to do? You have to consider that standard form, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c, and you have to find out what are the values of a, b and c, and you have to substitute that in that standard form. The next one, give possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. So area is given, and we have to find out the length and breadth of the rectangle. And we know that area of the rectangle equals to length into breadth. Yes or no? Area of rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Now based on this formula we have to find it. So the area is given, that is 25 square minus 35 plus 30. That is the area. Now we have to find out the length and breadth. So I will write the expression, that is area equals to 25 a square, 25 a square minus 35a plus 2 plus 2. So this is the area of the rectangle. Now we have to find out the length and breadth. So I will solve this. Area of the rectangle, that is equals to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Now we have to here 3. It is a quadratic equation. That is the equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Now we have to find the roots or find the solution by using the method, that is splitting the middle term. We will consider 25a square length. 25 square minus 35a plus 12. So in splitting the middle term, what we have to do? We have to multiply the first and last. So that's why it becomes 25 square into 12. Find the answer first. 25 into 25 square into 12. Because in splitting the middle term, we have to multiply the first and last term. Here the first term is 25a square and the last term is 12. So yes, 25 into 2. 2 5 are 10. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. Plus 1 5 are 5, 1 to the 2. Correct? 2 5 are 10, 1. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. Then 5, 0, 5 plus 5, 10. 2 plus 1, 3. So it becomes 300 is. Now we have to split this 300 is. We have to split that 300 is. And we have to find out the two terms which when we multiply that two terms it must give 300 a square, and when we add or subtract it must give minus 35a. Minus 35a. So find out which are the two terms. So I will consider minus 15a minus 20. 15 to the 30. Then 0, a into a square, minus into minus plus. And both signs are same, therefore we have to add minus 15a minus 20, it becomes minus 35. 20 plus 15, 35. So therefore it becomes 25a square minus 15a minus 20a plus 2. Just factorize this, take the common term outside first. You have to keep a notebook along with you and you have to solve. So here 5 is common, 5 and 8. 5 5s are 25 into 8 minus 5 3s are 50. A is already took outside, therefore it becomes 5 into 5a minus 3. Okay, 5 5s are 25, a is 5. Then plus into minus minus 5 3s are 50 minus. Here I will consider, I will take 4 outside. 4 5s are 20 into 8 minus minus into minus plus, therefore 4 3s are 20. So it becomes 5a minus 3 and the other term is 5a minus 4. One is 5a minus 3, another one is 5a minus 4. Because we have to take 5a minus 3 is the common term and we have to take that outside. When we took that 5a minus 3 outside, it becomes 5a minus 4. The remaining answer is 5a minus 4. We'll write that in bracket. So that's why here we got two values. One is 5a minus 3, another one is 5a minus 4. And what is the given? Given that area of the rectangle that is equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. And we know that area of the rectangle is equals to length into breadth. So therefore we can consider one term as length, another term as breadth of that rectangle. So therefore length equals to 5a minus 3 and the breadth equals to 5a minus 4. One is 5a minus 3, another one is 5a minus 4. So what we can interchange? We can write length equals to 5a minus 4 and breadth equals to 5a minus 3. It doesn't matter. Okay. Only what you have to do? We have to split the given expression by using the splitting the middle term method, and we have to find out the roots. And then we have to consider one term as length, another term as breadth. Just look at this step. If you understood this, just click on the like button and comment as understood. Okay, this is given that area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. And we know that area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Now the given expression is in the form of quadratic equation. That is ax square plus bx plus c. So to solve that quadratic equation, there are many methods. And in that one method is splitting the middle. And in splitting the middle term, what we have to do is we have to multiply the first and last along with the sign. So your first term is 25a square and second term is 12, and 25a square into 12 equals 300a square. Then what we have to do? We have to split that 300a square into two terms such a way that the product must give 300a square and addition or subtraction must give this middle term along with the sign. That is, we must get minus 35a. So therefore, I consider 15a, minus 15a and minus 28. So minus into minus plus, 15 into 20, it becomes 300, a into a square, and both signs are same. Therefore, when we add, it becomes minus 35. Then we have to consider the first two terms, and in the place of middle term, we have to add that two terms, and we have to add first and last term as it is. And we have to consider first two terms and next two terms, and we have to take the common term outside. In the first two term, common term is 5a and the remaining is 5a minus 3. In the second term, we have the common term as 4 and the remaining is 5a minus 3. And in this whole step, we have to take the common term outside, and the common term is 5a minus 3 because this is single term. Because two terms are multiplied and it becomes single term. Here also it is single term. From that I took 5a minus 3 outside, and what is remaining? 5a minus 3. And we have to consider one term as length of the rectangle, another term as breadth of the rectangle. 35y square area of the rectangle, that is equals to 35y square plus 13y, 35y square plus 13y minus 1. So this is in the form of quadratic equation, that is a square plus bx plus c. And it is given that 35y square plus 13y minus 1, that is area of the rectangle. And we know that area of the rectangle that is equals to length into breadth. That is equals to length into breadth. Now we will consider the quadratic equation, that is 35y square plus 13y minus 2. 35y square plus 13y minus 2. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply the first and last term along with the sign. We have to multiply first and last term along with the sign. First term is 35y square and last term is minus 2. 35y square into minus 2. Just find the answer first. y square into minus 2. First, so 35 into 12. 5 2s are 10. Then 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 into 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are, it becomes 0. 7 plus 5 becomes 12, 1, 3 plus 1, so it becomes minus 420y minus 420y. Now we have to split the two terms. If I consider 28 and 15, 8 5s are 40, 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 0, 4 plus 8 12, 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So the product is 420. Okay, therefore I will write here one term as 58, another term as 28. But now we have to see the sign. And the sign is here. So 28 into 15, it gives 420. And 35y square into minus 12, it gives minus 420y square. So when you multiply these two terms, 15 into 20, it gives 420. A into A, is y. Not it is y. It becomes y square. Now we have to concentrate on the sign. So if we consider plus into minus, it gives minus. If we consider minus into plus, it gives minus. But we have to see this term, it is plus 13y. That means the value is positive. And when the value is positive, when and only when we do the subtraction, if the sign of highest term is positive, then in the sum we will get the positive answer. If the sign of highest term is negative, then we will get the negative sign. Here the sign is positive, so therefore sign of highest term is positive I will consider, and sign of lower term I will consider as negative. So minus into plus, minus 15 into 28, it gives 420, y into y square, and minus 50y plus 28y, both are like term because the variable is y, but sign are different. One is having plus, another is having minus, therefore we have to subtract. So Therefore 28 minus 15 it gives 13 and sign of highest term is plus. Now next step is we have to replace the middle term with the help of that product. Therefore this equation becomes 35y square minus 15y plus 28y minus 2. So now I take the common term outside from these two terms, and the common term is 5y. 5y into 5 7 35y minus 5 3 5 7 35 y 2 y square plus into minus minus 5 3 15. Then here I will consider plus, I will consider 4 outside. 4 7 28 into y minus 4 3 is 1. So now when we consider this step, so which is the common term here? 7y minus 3 is the common term. Therefore I will take that outside. It becomes 7y minus 3 into 5y plus 4. 7y minus 3 into what is the remaining here? Remaining is 5y plus 4. Therefore length of the rectangle that is equals to 7y minus 3 and the breadth of the rectangle that is equals to 5y plus 4. 5y plus 4. Just look at the steps. So what we have to do here? First step, we have to see whether the term is in the quadratic form or not. Then after knowing that the given area is in the quadratic form, we have to go for the splitting the middle term method. In splitting the middle term method, we have to multiply the first and last term, and then we have to find the terms which after multiplication gives the product and after addition gives the middle term of this expression. Then we have to take the common term outside and we have to consider one term as length, another term as breadth of the rectangle. The next one, what are the possible expressions for the dimension of the cuboid where volumes are given? Dimension we can consider length into breadth, or we can consider length into breadth into height. But what is given? Dimension of cuboid that is 3D form. So it must have length, breadth and height. So in the previous one we solved for area. Now here we have to solve for volume. The length, breadth and height we have to find. And the expression is volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid, that is equals to 3x square minus 2x. 3x square minus 2x. Now try to find out the factors of this. Try to find out the factors. So we know that volume of the cuboid is given, that is 3x square minus 2x, and we know that volume of the cuboid equals to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Therefore, the volume of the cuboid becomes, so I will consider 3x square minus 12x. 3x square minus 12x. This is not in the form, this is in the form of 3x square minus 12x. Now we will find out the factors. So I will take the common term also. The common term is 3x. 3x into x. 3x into x, 3x square. Plus into minus equals minus. 3 4s are 3 4s are 12 into x. So therefore I will consider one term as length, another term as breadth, another term as height of the cuboid. Therefore length equals to 3 units, breadth. So you are right, length of the rectangle, the length of the cuboid, the breadth of the cuboid, breadth, that is equal to x units. And third one is height of the cuboid, that is equal to x minus 4 units. X minus 4. Just look at the step. Okay, very simple one. Now I'll solve another one. Ky square, fourth one. Volume of cuboid, that is equals to 12 ky square plus 8 ky minus 20. So this is the form. Now I will write the formula of volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid, that is equals to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth. Then I will consider the term. Consider 12 ky square plus 8 ky minus 20. So in all this term 4 is common. I will take that 4 outside. 4 into ky. 4 3s are 4 and k are common. Okay. 4 and k are common here. 4k into 4 3s are 12. K are into outside y square. Plus 4 2s are 8, k are into outside remaining is y, minus 4 5s are 20. Now this is in the quadratic form. Now we have to split the middle. So it becomes 4k into, we have to multiply first and last. So it becomes 3y square into minus 5. It becomes 3 5 15 y square and negative. So the product must give minus 15 y square and sum must give 2y. So that's why I will consider 3y plus 5 minus into plus minus 3 5s are 15 y into y square. Then both are having different sign, that we have to subtract 5 minus these 2 and sign of minus term is plus. So therefore it becomes 3y square. So I will replace the middle term. It becomes minus 3y plus 5y minus 5. So what is remaining here? 4k into. So from this I will take the 3y outside. It becomes 3y into y minus 1. 3y into y, 3y square, plus into minus, minus 3y into 1, 3y, plus 5 I will take outside. It becomes 5 into y minus 1. 5 into y, 5y, plus into minus, minus 5 minus 1. Now from this I will take y minus 1 outside. What is remaining? 4k into y minus 1 into remaining term is 3y plus 1. 3y plus 1. So therefore now I will consider the length, breadth and height. Therefore length I will consider that as 4k, and next one is breadth. I will consider that as y minus 1, and height that is equals to 3y plus 5 units. 3y plus 5 units. Just look at the steps once again. So what we have to do? We have to consider the term and we have to take the common term outside. Here common term is 4y. So when we take that 4k outside, 4k is the common term. When you take that 4k outside, it becomes 4k into 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Then we have to split that middle term because the 3y square plus 2y minus 5 is in the form of quadratic equation. So therefore we have to split the middle term. It gives minus 3y plus 5y. So then in the place of 2y we have to insert that two terms and we have to replace that 2y by using 3y minus 3y plus 5y, and by after simplification we will get 4k into y minus 1 into 3y plus 5. So therefore we have to consider one term as length, another term as breadth, another term as height. So therefore your length is 4k units, breadth is y minus 1 units, and height is 3y plus 5 units. Thank you everyone. I will continue in the next class.